Friends, in this basics of pharynx, we are going to discover how it is oriented from the skeleton, from the base of the skeleton, which is very important to understand. So it's very important. So kindly look it carefully, and you may question it in the comments. First of all, we need to see a basic concept first in the base of skeleton, that this is the lower, this is the hard palate, okay, which is formed by the both maxilla and the palatal bone. This is the posterior boundary of the nasal cavity. Now the most important thing you should know, that if this is oral cavity, if this is oral cavity and this is nasal cavity, all right. Now if this is nasal cavity, then this would be called as nasopharynx, and this is oral cavity, then it is called as oropharynx, and this is, we know, the larynx, so it would be laryngopharynx. So whole part is pharynx, and it's made up of the musculature, which we will discuss in the next videos, but here it is a concept video. Now likewise, just orient through the skull. This we know, this is oral cavity forming here. We don't have the mandible right now, so you may orient, and we know just above it there will be nasal cavity, so it's posterior now, so it will be like this, covering like this anteriorly. So this is, if I do like this, okay, just look, try to gain the concept. This is oral cavity, this is oropharynx, this is nasal cavity, and this is nasopharynx, and they will be the laryngopharynx. So the muscle attachment will start from this here around only, which you can see better in your books, like palatine muscles from the pterygoid humulus, but this is not our motto to discuss the muscle, but this is to orient you. So once more, this is the oral cavity, so this is with the oropharynx, it's in the air right now. This is the posterior part of the nasal cavity, this choana, it's called as choana. This will be the nasopharynx. Likewise, it will be covered, the attachment would be taken from here, the pharyngeal tubercle, so a raphe would be framed out, and from that which will the muscle attachment will take place. This was the basic idea of pharynx. I hope you liked it. Thank you for the time. Goodbye.